Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Do you feel like you are doing everything right when it comes to losing weight, eating well and exercising, but the results just are not there? Here is something you might not be considering, and that is sleep. Yes, the amount and quality of your sleep can have a profound impact on your weight loss journey. So, in this video, we will explore exactly how sleep affects weight loss, why getting enough rest is crucial for burning fat, and how improving your sleep habits could be the missing piece of the puzzle in your health journey. So, stay tuned as we uncover the surprising science behind sleep and weight loss. First is sleep and your metabolism. Let's start by talking about your metabolism, which is basically how your body burns calories. Think of your metabolism as the engine that powers your body. When you get a good night's sleep, your body is able to function normally and your metabolism runs efficiently. But what happens when you don't sleep enough? Poor sleep can cause your metabolism to slow down. In fact, studies show that sleep deprivation can reduce your metabolic rate by up to 5%. This means that even if you are eating the same amount of food and working out, your body is burning fewer calories. And when you are tired, your body may enter a sort of survival mode, slowing your metabolism to conserve energy. This makes it harder for you to burn fat. So, if you have been struggling with weight loss despite doing everything right, poor sleep could be the reason your metabolism is not functioning at its full potential. Next thing is the role of hormones in hunger. Because hormones play a huge role in regulating appetite and fat storage. There are two main hormones involved in hunger, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin is known as the hunger hormone because it stimulates your appetite, and when ghrelin levels are high, you feel hungry and are more likely to eat. Another hormone, leptin, is the opposite. It's known as the satiety hormone. It tells your brain when you are full and should stop eating. When you don't get enough sleep, ghrelin levels increase and leptin levels decrease. This means you feel hungrier and less satisfied after meals, making it harder to control your cravings. Think about it in this way. After a sleepless night, you might crave something sweet or fatty, right? This is because your body is producing more ghrelin and less leptin, causing your appetite to go out of control. And the worst part is, when you are sleep deprived, you are more likely to crave high calorie comfort food, which leads to overeating and weight gain. Now, talk about the insulin sensitivity and weight loss. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body convert sugar from food into energy. And when you eat carbohydrates, insulin helps move glucose into your cells where it can be used or stored. However, when you don't sleep enough, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin. This means your cells have a harder time absorbing glucose, which leads to higher blood sugar levels. When insulin can't do its job properly, the excess glucose is stored as fat, particularly around your midsection, your belly section. This means that even you are in a calorie deficit, you might still struggle with fat loss if your insulin levels are out of whack. Poor sleep and low insulin sensitivity can also increase your risk of type 2 diabetes over the time as your body becomes less efficient at processing sugar. Now talk about the stress and cortisol hormone, the connection to belly fat. Yes, you might have heard of cortisol level, the body's stress hormone. When you are stressed, cortisol is released, preparing your body for the fight or flight response. But here is the thing, too much cortisol, especially from poor sleep or chronic stress, can actually make you gain weight, particularly around your belly. And when cortisol levels are high, your body's natural instinct is to store fat, particularly in the abdominal area, as a protection mechanism. You can say your body stores fat because it thinks it's in a survival situation. On top of that, High cortisol levels also increase cravings for high-calorie sugary foods. This is why you may find yourself reaching for junk food when you are feeling stressed or tired. So, if you are having trouble losing weight around your belly, poor sleep and high stress could be the culprit, increasing your cortisol levels and making your body hold on to fat. Now, let's talk about the sleep and exercise connection. Yes, your exercise routine. You might be working hard at the gym, doing cardio or weight training, thinking you are burning all those extra calories, but you are not getting enough sleep and your efforts could be going to waste. Because when you sleep, your body recovers from the physical stress of exercise. This is when your muscles rebuild, your body repairs itself, and energy stores are replenished. Without enough rest, your body can't fully recover from the workout, and this leads to fatigue, which makes it harder to maintain intensity during your workouts. You might feel weaker, less motivated, and more prone to injury. In addition, sleep deprivation can lower your growth hormone levels, which are important for building muscle and burning fat. So, if you are hitting the gym but still not seeing results, it could be because your body isn't getting enough time to rest and recover. So, how much sleep do you actually need? And you might be thinking about it. So, okay, how much sleep do I really need for weight loss? The answer is 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. But it's not just about quantity. Quality matters too. You need to get enough deep sleep, that is, slow wave sleep and REM sleep, both of which are crucial for recovery, fat burning, and hormone regulation. If you wake up feeling tired even after 7 hours of sleep, it could mean you are not getting enough of the restorative stages of sleep. So, here are some tips for better sleep and weight loss. First is stick to a sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. This helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Next is limit caffeine. Yes, you should strictly avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol at least 4 to 6 hours before bed and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down with a book, meditation, or a warm bath to signal to your body that it's time to sleep. And make your bedroom sleep friendly. Keep the room dark, cool, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow. And limit your screen time. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. So try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed. And by prioritizing your sleep, you will experience real benefits. And those are less food cravings. Yes, better sleep can help control your hunger hormones, reducing cravings for unhealthy foods. And you will feel more energy because proper rest gives you the energy you need to exercise and be active throughout the day. And faster fat burning because you will burn more fat efficiently when your body is well rested. And lastly, improved mood because sleep helps improve your emotional well being, reducing stress, and improving your relationship with food. So, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have been struggling with weight loss despite your best efforts, I hope this video has helped you see how crucial sleep is to your weight loss journey. Remember, sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. Without proper rest, it's difficult for your body to burn fat, regulate hunger, and recover from workouts. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more tips and advice for your health journey. Take care of your body, get your sleep, and you will see the results. Until next time, stay healthy and sleep well. Bye bye.